Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on a new police station that the government is building in Montego Bay. Now this is a state-of-the-art station, one of the more modern stations that the JCF is building. Now people always ask when we do these videos, when we do videos on the roads and the buildings, they say, what about hospitals, police stations, fire departments? So we're giving you an update on what they're doing with the police stations. Now they're actually building two massive police stations. One is in Savlamar, and I don't remember where the other one was, but this one is in Granville in Montego Bay or St. James. And this station was damaged by fire, so they're actually rebuilding it and making it much bigger and putting in state-of-the-art equipment. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government is doing. Now, as you know, Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica. It has a Sangsa International Airport, and 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica coming through that airport. So it is very important to control crime in Montego Bay, especially the town of Montego Bay. Alright, so we're going to go through an article to give an update as to what's going on. Head of the St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent of Police Vernon Ellis, says the Granville Police Station in St. James should be completed by next year. Mr. Ellis was addressing a question and answer segment during Sam Sharp Teachers College Research Day, which was held on the campus in Granville. He noted that the station, which was destroyed by fire in May 2021, will be a state-of-the-art fit-for-purpose facility. You are going to see a state-of-the-art police station at the entrance in Granville, and based on the plans and the meetings that I have had attending and the persons who have been coming down for meetings, I think within a year you should have that Granville location. I must say it's going to be a fine multi-story type of thing, he informed. We got a brand new station at Mount Salem 2 years ago, and we have a brand new station at Adelphi. And then at Anchovy, we're constructing the second floor for a purpose-built station. Things are pretty much transforming now. We're building them eco-friendly. We're using solar energy, he added. Mr. Ellis further informed that the scope of the work on the facility will include the construction of a resource center for students in and around the community of Granville, as requested by residents who attended a community meeting hosted by the Ministry of National Security. Persons requested that a resource center be built on it at the police station, so there could be a homework center for kids, and so the architect and the other persons responsible, they have factored that into the plan, he noted. Mr. Ellis outlined that having the station rebuilt in the community will serve as reassurance and persons will feel more comfortable. The facility is set to be reconstructed at its previous site. Research Day was held under the theme, The Impact of Crime on Education, the Western Jamaica Perspective. Alright, so that's the end of the update. Now there's something here. Okay, they said, we got a new station at Mount Salem 2 years ago. We have a brand new station at Adelphi, and then they are expanding the Anchovy police station. And then now you can add Granville to the list. So that's 4 stations literally rebuilt. New stations, 4 new stations basically. State-of-the-art stations for Montego Bay. I must say that's good news to hear. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.